So guys, honestly I have no idea if this car make it home or not, because all our problems are coming back. As you can see, the oil warning is there, and our second problem, the DPF warning, was actually also there. I tried to clean the DPF a little, it works, but it's only a permanent fix. The only thing, I had my camera off at the moment as I tried that, so I couldn't record anything. But if you want to use that too, I will tell you how I did. It's very easy and I'm sure everyone can do that. First of all, you have to use the fourth gear and keep the RPM between 3000 to 3500 and drive like that for 10 to 20 minutes, and after that the warning will be gone, because it makes the DPF very very hot, and it helps to clean itself a little, just a little, but the warning will be gone. So but you have not to forget that it is only a permanent fix. The problem will come back in like 1 week or maybe sooner.